Just forget trying to mine Bitcoin with your gaming PC. It's just not profitable anymore. Instead, if you want to use your GPU for mining, Dogecoin is still one of the most beginner-friendly and profitable coins to mine. Let me show you how. Step 1. Download mining software. Grab Unmineable or Easy Miner. Both support Dogecoin and are super simple to set up. Just download Unminer from the official website. Don't go on any sketchy other websites. Step 2. Get a Dogecoin wallet address. You can use Trust Wallet, Binance, or Exodus. Copy your wallet address. From here, scroll down to find Doge and then copy. Step 3. Set up your miner. Open Unmineable, choose Dogecoin, and paste your wallet address. Adjust settings for performance versus energy saving if your PC runs short. Step 4. Join a mining pool. Mining solo isn't profitable. Stick with Unminable's default pool or try ICA pool for consistent payouts. Step 5. Let it run. You'll start seeing Dogecoin rewards accumulate in your wallet, but remember, profitability depends on your GPU power, electricity cost, and how long you mine. And here's the key tip: don't expect to get rich overnight. Mining Dogecoin is best for stacking small amounts steadily, especially if you're already gaming on a decent GPU and your electricity is affordable. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.